Have Shiba Inu devs copied the Shibarium code? The Shiba Inu community is facing a potentially huge scandal. Did the developers copy the code for Shibarium from another blockchain? After the beta version of Shibarium was released a few days ago, more technical details such as the chain ID, RPC nodes, block explorer, faucet and bridge were released today, giving rise to this rumor. In Shiba Inu's official Discord channel, high-ranking community member Steve, who is also part of SHIB's growth team, first raised the accusation. The suspicion stems from the fact that Shibarium's beta testnet uses the same chain ID 917 as the unknown Rinia blockchain, which was released in December 2022. Why is it that it looks like Shibarium testnet has taken Rinia testnet genesis file, changed the name from Rinia, but forgot to change the chain ID, wrote Steve, who further explained that this ID is absolutely unique, and that MetaMask and other wallet applications use this ID to determine which network to send transactions to. Using an ID that already exists is just incompetent, as your chain wouldn't work properly, and everyone trying to interact with your chain would instead interact with the other chain. Unless you somehow asked the owner of the other chain to turn their nodes off so you could spin up a node with a copied Genesis file, claimed Steve. As a result of revelations, there was a great outcry within the SHIB army. Queenie, another Shiba Inu community member, wrote, "It depends on your definition of scam. Again, I just want to know why we, a $1 billion project that paid $10 million to develop our layer 2, have another project's chain ID? Just a stupid mistake of the Shiba Inu devs?" However, other prominent community members were quick to dispel the rumor. Kosina wrote that Steve's statements were basically incorrect. You need both to interact with a chain. Your logic would mean that all EVM chains are connected by some central authority that routes based on chain ID. That is not how it works. Blockchains can operate independently with the same chain ID, according to Kosina. Still, he admitted there could be a problem with some dApps when adding both chains to MetaMask. Another user named Jesus M outlined that the accusation of Shiba Inu cribbing from Rinia is based on nothing more than the chain ID, which is identical to another project. That is literally the most minor amount of evidence. It's not even funny. From a developer's point of view, Actadoc said that there is no rule by which to select a chain ID, other than to pick a number. So I am assuming that's exactly what the SHIB devs could have done. Nevertheless, the Shiba Inu community is still in turmoil, especially because lead developer Kusama still hasn't commented on the allegations, and provided a possibly plausible explanation for having the same chain ID with Rinia. Remarkably, the well-known crypto YouTuber Ben Armstrong aka BitBoy has also joined the discussion, and threatened to reveal the real name of Satoshi Kusama as a result of the alleged revelation. BitBoy claims to have evidence that FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried was involved in the early stages of Shiba Inu.